morning out there in YouTuber land. We are headed to the farm today. I'm in the old ramp truck. Can't find the mirror. Got the Can-Am on the back. Behind me, Nick's in his new Dodge because he gave up on the Power Stroke. He's got the Kubota loaded with sprayer in the back, sprayer on it. I'm going to take the trailer sprayer off, put it on the CFMoto, which Jeremy's on his way with, along with Aiden's Honda. They had to stop and get gas and nose and in their jugs. We got a couple chainsaws, weed eater, this and that. We're going to try to clear some trails today and then come back behind us and spray everything good. Kind of keep it under control, hopefully early in the season before it really gets growing. Get a head start on it. So we'll see how it goes. It's the first time we ever sprayed up here. Had pretty good success with it at home the last couple of years. So hopefully we can keep it under control a little better that way up here. So anyway, let's get started. How I look? Look good? Yeah, we're good so far. So we got all this in here. Come over here to the Honda. We got all this on the Honda. And then somehow, oh, whoa, you sure?
Listen.
Well, all that?
Listen, there's a lot of good things about this motor.
Yeah.
Wow, is that all that?
That's all it'll haul. That's all it'll haul, yeah.
I think y'all are forgetting the load it's going to carry.
That's true. And he ate 14 biscuits this morning. And he said, put me a dozen eggs on top. He said, hell, put some taters in there too, because you like taters. And he's got this little feller. Oh God, don't shoot me. Good news is I'm gonna shoot him and he starts shooting the bear, so the bear will eat him. So yeah, 8 hours later, we're ready to go.
This tree.
Damn. It's official.
The hard part's getting it not to fall on you.
Getting what?
Not to fall on you.
Oh yeah.
Cut. Oh, I'll tell you, this brings a joy to my heart. My little boy's growing up. He's using a weed eater. Well, he lasted about 30 seconds, but that was rude. I was just complimenting him. Then he had to go and shoot me the bird. Y'all seen that? How does it make you feel to see this?
I'm so happy.
That's what I just said. It fills my heart with joy.
He just kind of bush like it, but we'll go in.
I mean, we'll go back and fix it. He's still young. He's got a long way to go. He's new to this anyway.
Thought I was doing a damn good job.
I didn't say you weren't.
Those work pretty good. You just have somebody to keep the shit off of you.
Well, that's the part that sucks. It's called the face. Stay up. It kept going. Whoop. It's fast.
I hit 47 when I hit the brakes.
Yeah, and that's here.
Yeah,
We normally don't hit brakes till up here, but you can't.
I just hit it right after I got past the creek too.
You gonna try it?
Yeah. Alright, well, we're done for the day. Little girl didn't want to crank here for a minute. She don't like getting low on fuel. She's a little low on fuel. This Ford dual tank crap, but anyway, I'm gonna sling the Can-Am off, get aggravated, we'll be home. But we had a good day. I don't know how much the video will show, but at the main trailer cleaned up we wanted to. Side project, we wanted to rescue the tractor, and you'll see in that video it didn't happen, but we'll bring back reinforcements. So that's about it for the day. Hit that like button. I know you're already subscribed. Y'all be pretty, and we'll see you. Okay, all right, go ahead.
Okay, so when he was 15, me and Jeremy had two of these. One was brown, one was red. He thought it'd be a great idea to go racing. Well, I kept outrunning him a little each time. So the next time we was going to turn, and he didn't want me to outrun me, so he hit me in the side and put me up on the bank, and I had to ride the bank all the way across and back out, and almost wrecked.
Who won?
You did, because you cheated.
I didn't cheat. Rubbin's racing, ain't that right?
Wow.
Ain't that what they say?
I may tear up on that
Oh
one.
no, you might have to.
Wow. You do remember that NASCAR race we went to?
Yeah, I do. That's a story for another day.